Heaven knows I like to be way, way up. Puffing on them trees, I said way, way up. In between the knees, I said laid up. Heaven knows I like to be way, way up. Till I'm way,
hey, what's up? We gotta get lit. It's her Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl. It's your girl, Abby Nicole. It's your girl, Abby Nicole, and today I'm back at it again with another mother flipping video. So, I put this wig on last night. This is Nadula Hair. Shout out to Nadula Hair for working with me and dealing with a lot of stuff that they had to deal with, which will be in a story time sooner or later. But today I'm here to show you guys how I got the curls in this little picture or video. How I got them to stay like that. I mean, I curled these last night and they're still holding up, which I'm really surprised because this hair is naturally straight. I didn't do an initial review. I'll talk to you about it as I'm doing my hair in the video. But this is a closure and I'm about to show you right now. Sis, it's a closure, okay? So, first off, I want to start by saying if you guys want me to do a series where I show you how I got the closure to look like this in the front and stuff like that, then let me know. I didn't bleach the knots, but I finessed it another way. Let me know if you want. So basically, I'm just going to show you guys how I laid the front down and stuff like that. And then we're going to get to the curling part, what I do. So I guess just keep on watching. If I start talking, I start talking. If I don't, I don't. Okay?
I don't want to die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.
So today I'm going to be using my She Is Bomb Edge Control. I'm going to be using this on my edges. I have this at my store at Beauty Exchange Orlando. Check out their Instagram. I'll leave them down below. But I got it from there for $10. You know, it's the Instagram brand that be going around. It smells so good though. It smells so good. I love it. So I'm going to apply that on my edges. Not so much on the lace yet. So I like to take some with the tip of my nail like this. Put it on the back of my hand and then we are going to see what we need to lay down. I haven't tried this actual edge control on the virgin hair, but I do love it on my natural hair. It just gets the hair to lay down so well, you guys. You want your edges to be laid? Then get on the She Is Bomb Edge Control. Period. No questions asked. No further questions. These kind of stayed in place from last night, but I'm gonna still fix them a little bit and then fix down here. So I like to use an eyebrow spoolie and this little edge brush that I have, but mostly the eyebrow spoolie because I have a lot of them laying around, so I just grab it. We're gonna slick her back. This part right here that didn't stay down. And slick her. And then I'm gonna use the edge brush that I was telling you about. Let me find it. So it's like a little double-sided with a comb. It's like $1.99. Push that into my edges. Well, I'm gonna use the comb side to like make sure the product is being dispersed evenly, and then we're gonna switch to the brush side because the brush side is more stiff. Ooh! Alright, cool. So now that we got that to lay, we got the lace. And on the lace, I just put my powder on it. That's what I was telling you, I didn't bleach the knots. I just put my face powder on it. So now let's go down to laying the lace. So the way I'm gonna do that, normally when I do my closures, I leave hair out in the front, like the very front. But today I'm not gonna do that. And lately I've been liking this method because it's like, I don't gotta do too much. So this is some hair spritz. I used to pump it up. I just put it in this bottle because my pump it up spray thingy broke. So I apply it on there like that. And this is gonna be like what keeps it in place. Boom, boom, like that, right? So I'm gonna try the She Is Bomb on this hair. I'm gonna apply it to it and then just do the same thing I would have did with my other hair right here. So we need to secure the edges with the wig. You feel me? No room. Like so. I actually like the She Is Bomb on the virgin hair as well. I'll apply her right here. Normally I like to go with the Got To Be gel to kind of use it to cheat and secure the lace down as well, which I probably still will do, just to give me some extra security. Let me where it goes. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull some hair from here, the lace right here, since my hair doesn't come out that far, and then we edge control down on it. And then we're gonna finesse some edges.
On the beat.
And this is a little bit of a longer edge, but I'm gonna finesse it. Yeah, I'm the finesser right now. Alright, so we're gonna just let that flow like it was already there. But we don't want it to just look like a line. So what I'm gonna do is take the back end of this comb and separate it. And separate it like that. Oh, dang. Just gotta keep playing with it, you guys. Like so, and I'm not even too worried about this because this side isn't going to even show that much once the hair goes down. So far I'm really loving how that's laying. And this is the part that is the most importante. If you don't tie your hair down, sister, listen, brother too, because y'all be using y'all do-rags. If you don't secure the edges, if you don't secure the hair, if you don't secure the wig, then what are you doing? Why are you even trying, bro? Like, for real, for real. So that's gonna be tied down. And the reason why I like to do this step before I even think about styling my hair is because I'm gonna be tugging and pulling at my hair, detangling it, and then that's just gonna make everything, you know, messy. So now that I have my hair, you know, secure, we're going to part it into 2 separate sections, and then I'm gonna pin right here, and then we're gonna work on this side. Like I said, honestly, if you guys didn't want me to film this video, I would have just let these curls stay until they dropped because they're still intact. But for the sake of the video, I am gonna brush them out. And a lot of you guys have been telling me that this is very satisfying to watch. So I'm brushing them out, and even these curls still look so pretty. But we're gonna do this. So what we're gonna do, brush out the hair, and mind you, this is the hair straight like on my head from the package to the wig that I made. And so far I've really been loving this Nadula hair because there's another hair that I tried to curl while it was straight and it was just not holding the curl, and as you can see the day after it's still holding the curl really nicely. So as far as what I'm doing, so the curling wand that I'm going to be using today, I got this 2 years ago for my birthday. My sister hooked it up, but I know what brand it is. It is the New Me curling wand, and it is the reverse curling wand, the classic curling wand reverse. I will link it down below. It is $89 on there. I'm trying to find the inches. Okay, it says it's a 13 millimeter base that increases to 25 millimeters at the tip, giving you tight ringlets to beach waves with maximum volume and dimension. So now for the first curl, you're gonna need these silver clips. These are what's gonna make it, you know, hold. And this method, you guys, pin curling is not a new thing, but it's a new thing for me because I never really do it. I always go for like literally the waves, but lately I've been wanting volume, and I've been wanting curls, and I've been wanting voluptuousness, you feel me? So basically I take this much of a section and I go to the root, and instead of curling it where it's just all single, I'm making sure that it's flat. So I'm like twisting my wrist with it so that way the curl is laying flat on the barrel and it's just not like a skinny, you know, wave. So I hold it here for a couple seconds. This thing gets pretty hot. I've burnt myself with it numerous times. And I like these curling ones because it allows you to twist it without having to move the whole thing. So I hold it here for a couple seconds. It gets really hot, and you slide it out your hand, and then you find the middle of it, and then you hold it. Ooh, it's hurt. Okay, so then you want to spray it with the hair spritz. Hold it in place still. And then we're going to take a silver clip, clip it through the middle to the root, like that. Sometimes you might need 2 clips because the hair is so heavy. So I like to do 2 sometimes, like so. And I like to make them all go the same direction. So this one is just going under. See how I'm like twisting my finger as I go? Rather than just doing this, I'm making sure that I the hair is flat. I like to twist it to make sure it goes throughout the whole hair evenly. And then boom, let it out. If you just let the curl drop, it's gonna drop because it's still hot. You want the curl to cool. That's the whole point of this. You want the curl to cool off and stay in its curled form. Yeah, by the way, I got these clips at Beauty Exchange Orlando for the low. They be having sales, yeah. And also, you guys, let me know that really curly wig that I just made recently. I'll link the video down below if you haven't seen it. Let me know if you guys want to see me like style that wig, do a curly hair routine, and like try straightening it and seeing if the curls revert back. Because I feel like that would be a very interesting video. So, and that's what I love about this wand. It gets so hot that you don't need, ooh, I got a text from Dazzling. You don't need it to be so small of a set. So let's just talk about the specs of the hair real quick. Again, this is the Nadula hair. I'll have it linked down below exactly what it is. I have in 4 bundles of 26-inch. This is the same exact hair that I put on Queen when she was here in Orlando for Spicy B-Day. I used this exact hair on her, but you know, I had to do my review for Nadula, so they had to send me some more hair. It's 3 26 inches and a 20-inch frontal, but here's the catch, here's the T. I want to experiment and try. I wanted to experiment and try something else. So what I did was cut the frontal into 3 different closures. So now I have 2 leftover pieces that can be closures for any other wigs that I have or anything, you know. It could just be extra. I just wanted to see how it would work if the lace was thinner. I just wanted to see. So that's why I cut the frontal, and also because I kind of changed my mind that I wanted to do a closure wig, because I told you guys I am kind of annoyed of having to do the frontal thing all the time and it not lasting, because you know I like to change my hair every other day or every day or every second. But yeah, so I did that, and honestly I really like this hair. And when I was putting this on Queen's hair, that was my first time working with it, and I honestly genuinely truly just loved how the hair felt, how it was acting when I curled it, but definitely liked how this hair acted. Excuse me. So when they're all cooling and chilling like this, I like to hit them with a couple sprays to make sure, you know, they good. Comb getting caught. Okay. So now I'm going to part again. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I'll let you guys watch for a little bit, and if I got anything to say, you know, I'll interrupt rudely. Oh, real quick, by the way, this comes with a glove too, so you can curl your hair with the glove on. I've used it before. It just feels weird, but it definitely saves you from burning your hand because there's no rim to, you know, stop it from burning you. So, and it comes with a little case too, a leather case. Yeah. So this is the very top part, so you want to make this part like be the most perfect. If everything else doesn't come out perfect, you want this part to come out perfect. So I'm gonna spray her. So now I'm running out of clips, so what I usually do is feel for the ones that are completely set, and that's how you know that it's set. So I'm gonna take a couple out just to be ready for the top ones I need. When they get like this, you just want to let them stay like that. And then I like to spray them again. And you know what's crazy? The hair doesn't even feel stiff when I spray it this much. So that just tells you. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I did get off camera and do my makeup real quick. My curls did drop a little bit because, you know, I was moving around and stuff. But I really like how this look came out. Oh my god. Shout out to my Instagram family for telling me to do something with my eyes today for the makeup look, because I really wasn't going to do anything. But they were just like, okay, can we do something with the eyes? So I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? So let me just try to like fluff these curls back up again and have them sit right, you know what I'm saying? Because we want fluffiness, we want volume, we want body. Okay. But yeah, you guys, as far as the hair, I just wanted to show you guys the luster after I put all the products in it. It's still bouncy, it's still beautiful, I still have my length. I just love Nadula hair right now, and I really do love their hair. I wanted to dye this hair, but now I really don't want to do it because it's like a pair of fresh black bundles. There's nothing like, you know, when you get a fresh new pair of sneakers or like a new outfit, like that's how I feel with this hair right now, and I am so in love. Thank you, Nadula, so much. You know I'm messing with you. Yeah, you guys. Ain't nothing like when you first get your hair done. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you check out my other ones. Love you. Mwah. Tampa. We're gonna make Bobby Lights and Prince or whatever. And I just wanted to, you know, start off the vlog by